YouTube, what's happening, man? We back with another cooking video. Got this Marketside ultimate meat pizza, medium. Got this out of Walmart. Got the my Italian sausage, premium sliced pepperoni, sliced beef, steak, seasoned beef topping, beef patty, crumbles, and smoky bacon. So, okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this out the wrapping paper real quick. Get it on that pan and get it into the stove. We'll be right back. Here we go. Here goes the pizza right here. Let me just go ahead and set the oven for it. We're gonna put it in here first. Pretty big pizza, pretty big. I'm gonna drop it, man. Put up in there. Slide it up in there. Shit's in there. Okay, we're gonna set it. Set this to 375. $375. We're gonna come back in about 18 minutes and we're gonna see what we got. So one last look at it real quick. And we'll be right back, y'all. We back, man. First, safety first, y'all. Safety first, man. Matter of fact, we're gonna let this cool. We're gonna let this cool for a minute, then we're gonna come back and get it because it's kinda hot. I don't wanna burn myself, but we'll come right back. Back, man. Time to get it about the stove real quick, man. It's already cooked. It's been 20 minutes already. So now it's time to see what this pizza is looking like. Open up the stove. That look good, man. It look real good. So I'm gonna bring y'all over here real quick, man. Over here. There we have it. Pizza. There we have it, man. A little more light. Get a little more. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got that light on now. Look good. Nice and cooked. 20 minutes. I popped it in for a good 20. Let it cool down a little bit. Let the cheese right there. So, oh, yeah, it's cooked, man. It's good. It's good. We're gonna go straight for the taste test, and then we out here. Dead. Batman. Y'all see it? Pizza. Got it. Let's give it a try. That's good. That's real good. Personally, I think Walmart pizza is a little bit better than the John's, in my opinion. But what do y'all think? Will I rate this? I'll give it 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 score. But let me know what y'all gotta think, man. Comment down below. Like, subscribe. Keep watching my videos. Next time, guys. Peace.